In terms of profitability of what you are doing, of voice coaching, voice acting, as an entrepreneur, how rosy is this? I know that you have been teaching other talents to also expand and do what you do. How profitable is the voice acting, voice coaching business in the Philippines?
Yes, sir, Cesar. No, it's very, very profitable. Not just because you will earn from your voices, but you will create the voice of your own company. Ikaw na yung mag-boses sa commercial mo. You don't have to find someone else. I will teach you. No, kung ikaw business owner, hindi mo na kailangan maghanap ng voice talent o maghanap ng recording studio o advertising agency. Andito na ako, andito na kami para tulungan ka. Imagine how many ads you can do online. You can post it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and that's how technology works. It's kumbaga, ano na ngayon audio visual. And you have all the control now. Unlike before, you have to go through a lot of process. You have to get permits, you have to get an agency, you don't need to do that anymore. You can do it yourself. There's a lot of application you can use. But as long as you use your voice or other people's voices within your company, abay, mas marami kayong magagawa. And a lot of companies now are creating their own content. And isa nga sa mga ginagawa namin is we teach a lot online. So we teach how to dub, how to create your own home studio, how to do commercial, how to do scripts, how to voice act, how to speak in front of the camera just like this, no? Kasi minsan like ito, nakatingin ako sa sarili ko or ito nakatingin ako sa inyo, minsan na out of yung sight, no? So I've realized hindi ako nakatingin sa camera. So I have to look at the camera. Isa yan sa mga tinuturo ko, Sir Cesar, no? Na even ito, yung setup na ganito, kasi ito pinagdadamot ng marami. Sabi ko, isa sa mga gusto kong i-share sa inyo, no, lahat ng entrepreneur, sabi nga, pag daw medyo social, entrepreneur. Pag mga Pinoy, entrepreneur. Ito, tandaan niyo mga fellow entreps. Ha? Tandaan niyo to. Kung ano ang kaya mong ibigay ng libre, doon ka maaaring kumita ng malaki. O, ulitin ko. Kung ano ang kaya mong ibigay ng libre, doon ka maaaring kumita ng malaki. Ano yon? Siyempre, skills mo, time mo, yung heart mo, yung puso mo sa ginagawa mo. Because even bayaran mo akong milyon, kung wala namang value yan, price lang ang tawag yan. So we are giving value sa inyo. Kasi aside from what you will learn from us, you will use it until the end of time. Until siguro tumanda ka, magagamit mo siya because our voice, again, is a gift from God. And it's how you use it that is our gift back to God. And our voice is the only instrument, the only instrument in human that can start a war. Kasi alam niyo, ang gera nagsimulahan sa salita. But it is also the only instrument that can say, I love you. Because it's so hard kapag hindi mo sinabi na mahal mo siya, assuming